Hey, it's Nina Lemtier here, the nutrition lifestyle strategist. I hope you are well and you've had an incredible, nourishing day. Would you believe I've literally been live on somewhere else thinking I was live here? Oh my gosh. So I have to do it all over again, which is great. We're here to serve, and this is all in aid of Fibroid Awareness Month. I've been going live every day, and today I wanted to give you some insights into the NourishHer app. Gosh, I'm even sweating. And just to show you how women are really making great progress with it. And if you've got any questions, feel free to ask. Let me know where you're joining from. I would do my best to answer any questions you might have. Hi, Iraji. Thank you for joining. It's great to have you. So I'm going to be giving you some insights into my NourishHer app, where women are literally making such progress because everything's being figured out for them. They don't have to figure it out themselves anymore. Okay. So before if you've got questions, ask me, but I'll just take you through the app very briefly. Now, what you can do is everything is going to be personalized to your situation. You know, fibroids, they don't grow overnight, right? They typically, they're there in the background for years. So the strategy behind them is about compounding what you're going to do every day to get you to where you want to be, right? And that's less fibroids, not dominant, dissolving away. Maybe it's pregnancies, maybe whatever it is, you are going to achieve it with the decisions that you make day to day. So the app will personalize everything, right? So you will put in the information that's unique to you when you join it, and you will then have everything now tailored, because this is really key. You'll be able to upload any scans, any information that would be important for me to give you a level of feedback on and assessment on. So you've got that feature as well. And of course, that will change as you progress, as you get more feedback. You can share what you ate today. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So some members have shared what they've eaten, which is fabulous, inspiring others, and it gets you more accountable. And then you can get push notifications for specific areas, like it might be water. So I get reminders for water. We're in the summer holidays now and it's mental. So I'm totally out of routine. So the push reminders are great. And of course you can have the reminders for your supplements as well. So you can actually put time when you want the reminders for particular supplements, because remember, some supplements will absorb with certain fats, right? And some supplements are not, they're water soluble. So it's important that you're having them at the right times, because your body's going to take what it needs, right? So you've got the structure to get the notifications for your supplements, and you can literally tick off, obviously it's on the app. I'm showing you the desktop because I'm using my phone, but you can literally just tick it all off as you progress through the day, mark it as taken, and it's just great to have that structure. Now, what is key next is you're balancing your plate. This is important for you to see how your good decisions will compound, and you can literally tick off your good fats. Did you put veggies? Did you have fiber? Good quality proteins? And you can just tick it off for each structured meal. Now, all of this is not just being put in the air. Everything's being collated, because you will get a report generated by the end of the month that's going to give you meaning to everything. So when you can see that, oh wow, my periods are so much better. I'm no longer in pain. And you can actually see that, okay, all these decisions are actually adding up, right? So it's all going to be in the data that we collect. And this is the feedback. And when you can have this information for each month, you can take that with you to your gynecological appointments, your doctor appointments. This is going to be such great data for you. And equally, when you have a good month, when you see that my fibroids are reducing, you know, I've gone for a scan and they're shrinking, you can actually attribute it to structure, right? Because the truth is we're either in habits that serve us or habits that give us that put us in a disservice, right? They do us a disservice. And the most common pain that I speak to women about is they start off with good intentions, but something happens, they get busy, they just lose it, and then they just can't keep up, right? So the structure now is all done for you. And each week it changes along with your cycle. So you don't have to figure out, oh, I need to increase this, I need to increase that to stay ahead of the game. It's all done for you. So that's the power. It's, you know, it's even will give you pairings in regards to food and your supplements so that you get maximum absorption from your supplements. Because a lot of women are taking supplements and they're not getting any benefit because they're not taking them correctly. They're not taking them strategically. So the NourishHer app will do all of that for you. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can, it's at a founder's rate right now. Limited spaces on the founder's rate. If you want the details, just drop me a message and I'll send you a link. But this is just a section of what it does. I've been getting incredible feedback. And the truth is, life is gonna life, and this is a lot of detail, and this has been designed specifically for women who want to take control of their womb health, who are having fibroids that are just giving them issues. Maybe you just want them gone, right? Whatever your situation is, maybe you're not even having a period. Maybe you're in your menopausal, and you want to get a level of control with your hormones. Whatever it is, you could be prepping for surgery. There's a structure that you would follow, that the app would map out for you so that you get the right structure before your surgery and after your surgery, right? So it's literally tailored for any circumstance that you may be in on your journey. Hi, Johnny. Hi, T. Hi, Ntoya, Katsu. Hi, Raji. How can I shrink it? I'm 44 in age. So you can shrink it, Iraji, but there would be lots of variables that we'd need to understand first to give you the exact strategy. But to give you a summary, you're going to address how your body is, basically how your cells are behaving. And this is going to be linked in with key kind of ecosystems in your body, okay? Because everything is interlinked. Your gut, your liver function, you know, your digestive health, everything's interlinked. So it's about strategizing around those areas, looking at your movement, looking at your diet, looking at also past any medications you might be on or you've taken. We have to factor everything in to support you. What I would suggest is if you get the NourishHer app, you can start laying the foundation with that. And you can also book a free, like a call through the app with me, and we can discuss the next steps as well. If you send me a message, I can send you that. But 44 is quite a critical age because you're probably now transitioning hormonally. So it's about assisting your body with that change as well. Are you having any symptoms, Iraji? Are you, is it impacting your day-to-day life in any way? If you don't mind sharing. But otherwise, there's lots you can do to support your body. But the app, the NourishHer app, will give you the details and the structure, and it will be personalized to you. So I would suggest you get that as well. Okay, you're having mood swings, right? So definitely, you can make very fast progress as well. You'll be very surprised how quickly your body will respond. So where are you based, Iraji? Where are you located in the world? Just curious. Hi, Hannah. So, how are you, just, is anyone making significant changes right now? And how are you feeling on your journey so far? Okay, you're in Pakistan. Lovely. I've got a couple of clients in Pakistan and India as well that have actually just downloaded the app as well and are using it, and they've already submitted some information. So if you send me a message, Raji, we can get you on the app and we can get everything progressing in regards to understanding how we can support you specifically. Okay. All right. So thank you for joining. We're going to keep raising awareness in regards to fibroids and how you can support yourself holistically. You're having flax seeds. That's great. You would definitely want to do some some combinations. Sorry, 1 second. Oh gosh, I've got this cough. Sorry. Ooh. Okay, herbs and therapy is getting better. Oh, that's good. That's good. And there's lots more you can add in as well. I'm glad you're feeling better. That's really good. It's amazing how the body responds, isn't it? But I want to know, okay, so just sign up to the app and we'll break it down how you can shrink yours, okay? That's how we're going to do it, because everybody's circumstances are different. What impacts you, the variables that affect you are different from what affects me, right? So how I shrunk mine won't be how you will shrink yours, right? No woman's protocols are the same. Okay. All right. Thank you for joining. If you've got any questions, we do weekly Q&As. We just finished, we do them Tuesdays and Wednesdays in the Womb Care Network. We've got lots of veteran members like Andia, who's shrunk her fibroids to pea sizes. She's a budding member. She's been with me nearly 2 years now, inspiring other members as well. So if you want to join, be able to ask more questions, get more guidance, then you consider joining the Womb Care Network as well, where I've got lots more resources, training, support, structure. It's there as well. And it's all about supporting you make progress. That's what the Womb Care is all about. And thanks for the ladies that have followed today. You're welcome. I hope I don't disappoint. Thank you for following. I don't take it lightly. I'm all about giving you as much help and information as possible to help you make progress and live your best lives. All right. I will see you tomorrow for day 29. Keep going. Don't give up. You can do this. You're not alone and you are worth it. Everything. Keep going. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye, Raji. Thanks for your questions. Okay, Sandra. Hi, dear. Please show me how to naturally without surgery. She sees help shrink it. Yes, it can. What I would suggest, Sandra, is if you get the NourishHer app, we can help you start laying the foundations to start making key progress. Okay, send me a message and I'll send you the link and we can take it from there, because this is like the foundation we need to lay first. Okay, and we can get all those details from you in regards to your unique situation. All right, okay. Have a lovely evening. Thanks for joining. I appreciate you. Take care. Bye.